Okay, Engaging Life again, we are here endaweni yesigameko siphethe ke now ngiyakhumbula ngiphethe teenage manje ngiphethe youth na ngihamba nabo kancane kancane. I have a youth uzozisho ukuthi igama lakhe ubani nesibongo yabo nokuthi ukhonzaphi, just for you ukuthi wazi yabo ukuthi ukhonzaphi, and then uzositshela ukuthi uku-organize le event bokunjani kuwe. How was it uku-organize event? Bese ke ngizokubuza enye question futhi mina.
Alright, igama lami uJabulile Mhlabathi, ngisonta la e-APCM, nami ngimember nje la. So organize the event, it was very difficult. We had to cook and then arrangements for venue, like we had to work it out, like even into the winner call. So it was a bit difficult, but it's in.
Okay, isevisi eqalile phela yaba on isermon yangena yabo ku-sermon laphaya. What did you learn? Yini uthi wena kule sermon I pick up these things and ngihamba nazo?
Okay, I've learned a lot of things. Like I've learned ukuthi as a worship team, sifola under leadership. So we've learned ukuthi there are characteristics of leadership. So sitobile ukuthi i-function yethu as a worship team, as its function like something, what must we do as a worship team?
Okay. You see, Ulula, more worshiping team, you're part of the leadership.
Yeah.
Awumi nje ubukela, shoot istulo basishota, now you have your
Yebo,
usilethe, uvale, and close the gap. That's the easiest thing you can do as a leader is always to close the gap. Ungaveli umuthi akuseyami le, akubekanga mina. No, you can't close the gap.
As long as we pass.
It's good, what young people, but what message would you give as a young person for abantwana abasabala isikolo babakubukela nje ungathini kubo onwesaba kusem age group yakho, ungathini kubo? What message would you give them?
I would like say kumnandi nkonzweni, they should start considering ukujoina inkonzo and like bazinikele more to God.
Okay. Uzwile umntwana uthi yena abantwana age group yakhe bazinikele enkosini, hayi kuphela esontweni. Shuthi kena ungasonta usonte, but phezulu ukuthi uyasonta zinikele enkosini yabo. Ungabi umuntu nje osontayo kodwa angayitholi that revelation ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyinkosi nomsindisi uzale kabusha and being a born again Christian. Nayi into omele uyazi, uNkulunkulu uyamgcina umuntu omusha, umgcine aze aphumelele. Silapho Engaging Life, siyabonga.